Welcome to our video on electric versus gas pressure washers. When it comes to cleaning tough outdoor stains, nothing beats the power of a pressure washer. In this video, we will compare two of the most popular pressure washers on the market, the electric pressure washer 3900 PSI and the Simpson Cleaning ALH 3228S aluminum series gas pressure washer. We'll take a closer look at their features and functionality to help you decide which one is right for you. First, electric pressure washer 3900 PSI. This electric-powered pressure washer is designed for heavy-duty cleaning jobs such as washing cars, driveways, patios, and pools. With a maximum pressure of 3900 PSI and a flow rate of 2.6 GPM, it can deliver a powerful water blast to remove even the toughest dirt and grime. One of the standout features of this pressure washer is the 4 quick connect nozzles that allow you to adjust the spray pattern to suit your cleaning needs. It comes with a 25-foot hose and a soap tank that can be used to apply detergent to surfaces for deep cleaning. Now let's move on to the Simpson Cleaning ALH 3228S aluminum series gas pressure washer. This gas-powered pressure washer has a Honda GX200 engine and a CAT triplex pump that can deliver a maximum pressure of 3,400 psi and a flow rate of 2.5 GPM. Unlike electric pressure washers, this model comes with a spray gun, an extension wand, and 5 quick connect nozzle tips, making it more versatile for a variety of cleaning tasks. It features a 5/16 inch by 25-foot monster hose that can withstand high pressure and is kink and abrasion resistant. So, which is better, electric or gas pressure washer? Well, it depends on your cleaning needs. Electric pressure washers are more suitable for light to medium-duty jobs and are ideal for interior cleaning due to their quiet operation and zero emissions. Gas pressure washers, on the other hand, are more powerful and suitable for heavy-duty outdoor cleaning jobs, but can be noisy and emit fumes. Thank you for watching our video on electric versus gas pressure washers. We hope this comparison has helped you decide which one is right for your cleaning needs. Always remember to use the pressure washer safely and follow the manufacturer's instructions. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Check the video description for details.